use of religion. I got the devil to pay. Hey, yeah, when I start rolling, yeah, biscuit out of my way. I got my baby and my cocaine. I got my pork roll and cheese. I got my PVA card and my fake ID. I know that life is a gamble, that is what I believe. You know you take your chances, you pray you get away.